guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you 5 items that I love incorporating into my Optavia plan. And if you guys are new to my channel, please look back in my video library. You will see that I have lost almost 50 pounds in 6 months, and I transitioned off the plan and now I am back on it again because I'm training for a fitness competition with an injury, so I don't need to be in a surplus at this time. So here's what is going down today. All right, so on Optavia, one of the most exciting things is creating your lean and green. Now, we have several categories of what constitutes as a lean. So a lean is a protein. That is where you get the word lean from. And green would be vegetables. On plan, we can add fat and all kinds of things to it, but depends on what kind of lean you're having. I personally go for the leanest kinds of protein because I like to add in extra fats throughout the day or with the meal or what have you. I love avocado, I love peanut butter, and I love things like that. I love yogurt and I love cottage cheese, and you can just, there's a whole variety of things that you can choose from. But I just wanted to show you a couple of things. So the first one, this is, I have never been a cod lover until I found this. I buy this at Costco. This is the Kirkland Atlantic Cod. It is wild caught, so it's not farmed. It comes in a big bag like this, and let me show you. Inside here are individually wrapped frozen pieces of wild cod. I took a few of these out. I had them already, so in here now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe I took 2 out, so there's about 8 of them in here, and this bag is under 20 bucks. I love this. I think it's a great way to get in your leanest kind of protein. Therefore, you can add in some really good fat. With this, I sometimes like to add just some olive oil or avocado oil. Sometimes I love to add avocado. Sometimes I love to add nuts. It just depends on what I'm looking for in that day and what kind of recipe I'm going to make. But this is definitely a staple as far as protein goes, and I wanted to share it with you. So the next item is something that I have only been able to find at Trader Joe's. I love hamburgers, and sometimes you just want a hamburger or some tacos or ground beef with something. And the leaner the meat, the more you're allowed to have. With the cod, it constitutes as 7 full ounces of cooked you're allowed to have. That's a lot. If you guys are unfamiliar with what 7 ounces of cooked fish is, that's a lot. That's like 2 of those big pieces that I showed you. I have found at Trader Joe's 96% lean ground beef. There it is. And this, you can have 6 ounces of cooked ground beef. That's like 2 hamburgers. That's like 6 ounces of cooked meat. If you're, making tacos, you can literally make like 4 big tacos. I use the romaine lettuce leaves as my shell, but this is such a great find because most grocery stores have like 80-20, maybe like 90%, but this is 96. So you just add your seasonings and a little bit of extra fat if you need it. It's just a really good find. So just wanted to share that. Okay, so anyone familiar with Optavia has to know about the brownies. Guys, that is just, my gosh, so good. And you're allowed to have condiments and things like that on plan. So I have found, this is nothing new, but oh my goodness, these 2 flavors are, don't mind the hair, it's a bad hair day. These 2 flavors are out of this world as far as add-on condiments to, all right, let's back up. The brownie, it's about this big, right? It's a brownie. It's literally a chocolate brownie that helps you lose weight. Full of protein and vitamins and minerals, but sometimes you just want a little something on top. This is one suggestion. Oh my goodness. Walden Farms makes a caramel sauce. Guys, this stuff. Here's the label. I hope you can see it. It has zero everything. 0 fat, 0 calories, 0 cholesterol, 0 carbs, sugar, nothing in it. It does have 55 milligrams of sodium, and a serving size is 2 tablespoons. So if you only use 1 tablespoon, then that's in half, but everything is 0. Little bit of this caramel sauce on top of the brownie, and then I put it in the fridge for a little while. It is so good. Sometimes I take a tablespoon of this and I swirl it within the batter, swirl it around, and then cook it for the minute, and it comes out like a butterscotch brownie. So good. On top of the chocolate chip cookie, chocolate syrup. Yes, for those nights you are craving your chocolate, this is a good one. This is really good. This I've also put into my vanilla shake, my mocha shake. I bet you could put it into strawberry. Never tried it, but these 2 little syrups are so good. They do have artificial sweeteners in them, I do believe. Let me just confirm. They both have sucralose, so it is artificially sweetened, but if you're only using a tablespoon in one day, I don't think it's going to hurt you in any way. In fact, it hasn't hurt me. I've had some great success using these products. So last product I want to show you, this is no stranger, guys. This is the holy grail of what I put in my chocolate shake and on top of my brownie. The syrups are good, but this, PB2 Organic. This stuff is just ground up peanuts, and they take some of the fat out of them. So in this, you can have 2 tablespoons of this. This is what I put. Sometimes if I want to split this up in the day, I'll have a chocolate shake with 1 tablespoon of this in it, and it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup shake. And then I save the other tablespoon for after dinner, and I put it on top of my brownie. So you basically take, I keep my measuring spoon right in here. Here it is. And I take this, I put it in a little bowl with a little bit of water, it reconstitutes, I pour it on top of my brownie, and then I put it in the freezer, just so it creates like that hard shell on top of the warm brownie. It is so good, guys. You have to check this out. I buy this at Walmart. I know they sell it in packs of 2 at Costco. Very reasonable. It's organic, and just looking at the macros, for 2 tablespoons it has 50 calories. So if you're only using 1 at a time, it's only 25 calories. 1.5 grams of fat. Again, this is for 2 tablespoons. 70 milligrams of sodium, 5 carbs, so split that in half. Then we have 2 grams of fiber and 5 grams of protein. So with that being said, if you're using a tablespoon, should serve no problem for you. It is Optavia approved, and feel free to enjoy. So those are my little Optavia tricks of the trade. I love these things, and I'm so excited to be back on plan. I feel so good. There is just something about full nutrition. Full nutrition. Our plan is full of nutrition, full of the recommended daily allowance for vitamins and minerals, probiotics, everything. You don't need any supplements, nothing when you're on plan. And you will feel so good. Over the last week and a half, since I've been back on plan, I have been back into that deep sleep, dreaming, feeling good, going to the bathroom regularly, and just, I'm telling you guys, if there's anything halting you from trying this plan, don't let it, because it is life-changing. It has changed my life in so many ways, so many ways. So just wanted to share. Hope you like my little menagerie of things here, from cod to ground beef to syrup to peanut butter. But I'm telling you, these are staples. These are things that I pretty much have every day, and I love them. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say. If you're interested in Optavia, please let me know. I will be happy to call you and we can discuss. And if you have any questions, leave them below. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, let me know. And also, I will be making my little weekly weigh-in videos again, just so that you can know what's going on, okay? I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. From Paisley to Molly, we love you. Stay focused. Bye, guys.